Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix lag in HP Victus. Alright, let's begin. Many HP Victus users face frame drops while gaming. This issue can be fixed by following a few optimization steps. First, open the registry editor by searching for it in the Windows search bar and running it as administrator. Navigate to HKEI local machine, then System, Current Control Set, Control, Power, and Power Settings. Locate the required folder, open it, find the attributes file, and change the value data to 2. Click OK, close the registry editor and restart your laptop. After restarting, open the control panel and set the view to large icons. Go to Power Options, select your active plan, and open Change Advanced Power Settings. Expand Processor Power Management and disable Processor Performance Boost Mode for both options. Apply the changes and close the window. Next, open Omen Gaming Hub. Select your Victus laptop, go to Performance Control, choose Quiet Mode, and set the fan speed to maximum. So that's basically how you can fix lag in HP Victus. That's it for this video. Thanks!